clinical staff typically start each shift by hunting down the equipment they need for patient care. This search often takes about an hour, which equates to nearly 10% of each shift, over 200 hours per year per staff member. This time spent searching delays patient care, putting your patient satisfaction scores and reimbursements at risk. Meanwhile, biomedical technicians also spend 10% of their shift tracking down equipment for preventive maintenance. They are frustrated by assets leaving the facility without any documentation or notification. Often, misplaced assets are written off as unable to locate, and when it is found, it's often in use, and staff need to come back to it later, beginning their search all over again. To compensate for this, many hospitals overpurchase equipment that ends up unlocated and sitting idle. On average, asset fleets are 10 to 20% larger than they need to be, just to ensure equipment can be found. At the same time, equipment inventories are shrinking at 10% per year. And when a nursing unit can't find the equipment they own, it leads to even more purchases, this time hidden on the department's operational budget. The result of all of this is frustration and wasted resources, money, time, and your staff's energy. Ultimately, missing equipment delays patient care or discharge, with negative impacts on patient satisfaction. But there is a better way. Midmark's real-time locating system, or RTLS, provides a solution to lost equipment: CareFlow Cloud Asset Tracking. Simply place an asset tag on your equipment, and with a glance at the software on a workstation computer or tablet, you can see where that tagged piece of equipment is within your facility at any time. Midmark's Bluetooth low-energy locating system is easy to install and quick to configure, providing 3-meter location accuracy. Accurate asset location is displayed in the CareFlow Cloud Asset Tracking solution, accessible from any web browser. Secure and cloud-based, the software updates automatically, freeing your IT team from server and software maintenance, while ensuring that clinicians and biomedical technicians have the latest features to enhance workflow. Midmark RTLS interfaces with leading CMMS systems so that asset data always stays in sync. Real-time intelligence is powerful in solving the problem of inventory shrinkage. The awareness that comes from tracking equipment with RTLS is critical to developing a plan for equipment loss prevention. Less missing equipment means your organization can cut back on inflated inventory. One Midmark RTLS customer saved $1 million in capital expenditures simply by tracking their infusion pumps. Most importantly, RTLS helps your team ensure equipment is always available and allows clinical staff to devote their time to what really matters: patient care. More time spent at the bedside improves the patient experience by as much as 15 points in patient satisfaction scores. It's time to provide your staff with tools and technologies that help them work more effectively. Start tracking your equipment with Midmark CareFlow Cloud Asset Tracking. Because at Midmark, we bring technology, clinical space, and workflow into harmony.